let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate quick-step choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, slow, 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 quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, slow, quick, slow, 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 quick, slow, 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 quick, slow, slow, quick, slow, slow, slow. And now let's look at the same quick-step choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with preparation. And we dance natural turn with hesitation. Notice man's heel pull here. We continue with double reverse spin. Notice lady's heel turn. Now telemark. Again lady's heel turn. Now man dances outside partner into fishtail. And now we move into corner with natural turn with hesitation. Now we move diagonally to center with chasse reverse turn and reverse pivot. Then we dance cross swivel, then step forward outside partner and check back into running finish. Next figure is running right turn, which consists of natural pivot turn, then open natural turn with lady's heel turn and running finish. Now we dance natural turn, first 3 steps, then backward lock step and running finish. We continue with forward lock step. Now we dance natural turn and continue with V6, which is backward lock step, outside change, and then diagonally to wall we move with forward lock step. We continue with once more forward lock step, and into corner we dance natural turn with hesitation. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.